Today's house is a precise example of how architecture can adapt to the land and turn it into an essential part of the living experience. The plot is located along one of the main avenues in the Los Trapenses neighborhood in the Barnechea district. To ensure privacy and reduce street noise, Trapenses House turns inward, with its main facade almost completely closed off to the west. Built on a steep slope in Santiago, Chile, the house unfolds over 4 levels, adapting to the topography and organizing the relationship between interior and exterior as a continuous sequence of spaces. At the heart of the house is a concrete volume with an illuminated inner courtyard. This courtyard not only brings in natural light and expands the sense of space, but also fulfills a regulatory requirement to limit the built area due to the steep slope. Service areas are located to the south, while the most important living spaces, living room, office, and main suite, are positioned to the northeast. These volumes were built with masonry and clad in stone, chosen to complement the concrete and add texture and presence to the blocks. A skylight brings sunlight into the kitchen, reinforcing the connection with the outdoors. One of the levels features a strategically placed swimming pool that connects the different areas of the garden. Above and below it are terraces, lawns, and the barbecue area, which connects directly to the living and dining spaces. The interior design is based on a central axis that unfolds as the levels progress, from the generously proportioned entrance hall to the living and dining areas at the top level. The overall form is organized, clear, and expressive. The stone-clad volumes are embedded into the main concrete structure as if they were part of a single body, creating a cohesive form that carries the materials throughout the interior and exterior, strengthening the connection between the two. On the main facade, one volume stands out, the master bedroom wing. This closed, stone-clad volume is elevated on diagonal concrete beams and projects over the parking area, as if suspended in midair, reinforcing the architectural identity of the house. Trapenses House is an exercise in restraint, adaptation, and construction precision. An architecture that responds to the land, shields its residents from the intense urban surroundings, and reveals, at every level, a new connection to the landscape.